How to clear cache in Google Chrome. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see a step-by-step guide on how you can easily clear cache and other images on Google Chrome. So the very first thing you want to do is open up Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. Now once you've opened up, make sure you're logged into some kind of your account. I'm signed in here. My watch history sync everything is turned on over here. Now, in order to clear cache, click on the three dots first, and then go to settings. Alternatively, you could go to more tools, and then here you can find your task manager. I'll just head over to the settings menu. From settings, go to privacy and security. Then you'll have the option to delete browsing data. Click on this. Now this pop-up will appear on your screen. You'll find your browsing history, cookies, and other sites, cached images and files. And if you go over to advanced, you could also delete your passwords, autofill forms, site settings, and more as well. So I'll just select last 7 days, and then I'll deselect the browsing history for now. Once you have done that, I'll just select password and other signing data as well. Click on delete data, and it will clear out this many cached images and files. I currently have 370 megabytes of cached images and files. If you click on clear data, you're good to go. Now all you have to do is close out Google Chrome, open it back again and restart, and it's now your fresh new Chrome with all of your cache files gone. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.